Hey, family. Hey, friends. Mi familia, mis amigos. This is not financial advice. I'm just tapping in. Going to try to drop a few gems and share a little bit of knowledge on what's going on in the markets and how I might be able to help you make some of this stuff make sense. The market, I'm looking up at the screen right now. It's after hours and everything is red. The market had a pretty shady day today. It was choppy. It started off pretty hot. Started off yesterday. I told you the plays that I was looking at: lemonade, apple, and it was one more. I can't think exactly what it was, but I had three plays for yesterday, and Amazon may have been it. And they started off today on fire, and then the market did what it does at times. It played its little games and dipsy do. The market went down and up and down and up and down, choppy all day. The volatility was there because, but it was a lot of selling pressure in the market today. But the end of the bull run has not come, if you ask me. We're getting ready to get the government back open. That could be priced in. It could be settled news. You never know what's going to happen once the government gets back open, because things are still not going to be smooth. So you're going to have to be careful with that. And other than that, some of the plays that did do well today, my play of the day was Berkshire. I hopped in there and at 500, and if that makes it to 507, then I'm looking for 520 next, and that'll be a profitable trade. And if it makes it to 507, I'll do a video and put the chart up and show you what I got in store, or what it has in store for me or for you or for anybody that decides to jump in. Right now is not the best time to be trading the market. You want to wait until you have clear direction, if it's going up or if it's going down. It's choppy right now, so if you play options, your money's gonna get chopped up. If you trade shares, then you want to wait for the stock that you're choosing to come down and to support before you hop in, because you don't want to catch a falling knife. Catching a falling knife means you're trying to jump into a stock on its way down because you think it has made a bottom, but if you reach there and try to catch it, then the knife might go straight through your hand. Boom, fall a knife, and you get stuck and it keeps falling and you'll fall with it. So wait till the stock does what it's going to do. And then when it does reverse, when you do see the reversion, whether it's back to the mean or back to the upside, wait for confirmation. Wait until the market tells you that the trend has changed and the play or the stock is about to go up. And if you do this, then you'll be rewarded. I will keep repeating that the market rewards patience. Hopping in just to be in on the action because you think it's going to do this or going to do that, the market does not respect that. The market does not respect you for that. The market is going to love you for that, because the market is going to take your money. So this is already a game that's tricky enough as it is. So you want to learn everything you can about how these markets move before you jump in. And in the meantime, I don't suggest playing options on days like today. Today's like today is a good day to sit out. If you have shares, today is a good day to either average down on shares. I never average down on options. But if you have a position of shares and you can get those shares cheaper, then that's when I would consider averaging down. I don't average down on stocks, on stock option, because if I average down on stock option, then I'm averaging down on a play that has obviously shown me that it was that it's moving the wrong way, that it's just not going my way. So I'm not going to average down on a loser. If that play takes off and is going up, then I'm going to look how to scale into that play and scale into a position to increase that position. So you want to try to, if you're playing options, be careful with your entries and have a plan to exit. If you're trading shares and a share comes down into your buy zone, consider adding to your position. Because if you have good fundamentals on this play, and this play has been undervalued or oversold, then that's when it's time to look at it. Because right now, when the markets are red, the institutions and the hedge funds are trying to scare you out of your positions if you have a good position, especially if you have a position in a good company. Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, AMD. AMD is a stock that is as we speak, is a stock that's changing people's lives. So you have a lot of plays out there that have potential to make a lot of money. And I want you to put these on your radar. I'm not going to do a whole program on it right now, but put BBAI on your radar. Keep AMD on your radar. Keep SoFi on your radar. Keep Datadog on your radar. Keep Berk.B on your radar. Keep Meta on your radar. All these plays, keep Lemonade on your radar. All these plays are setting up for moves into the end of the year, because mark my words, before the end of the year, we will have another bull run. We will have what they call a Santa rally when the markets go up. So, and with this being the downturn that probably should have came last month, but it's coming in December and November to pull back, to balance itself out, or whatever you want to call it, be ready, because the next leg up is going to be where you make your money. So with that being said, I'm going to make this short and sweet. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh, and I'm out. Y'all take care. Love you guys. Peace.